The sort of the dynamism of this moment is, as you mentioned, it's just ongoing, right? So, there's just constant change, and it's change that is being led in the name of growth. And I think that, there's enough of us concerned to make that growth have a level of positivity that sometimes we struggle with. And I think that is to say that in a place like this, with the kind of dichotomies that we talk about between haves and have-nots, if you will, right? One of the toughest places for lower working class people to live is how do we find a happier medium? How do we create a space that is all about growth and change in a positive way in terms of development, all those things? And we have an arts center in the Performing Arts Center that's been here for 13 years. We've only been in this building for 6 years, and you got a science museum next door that's only been there for 2 years. So we have this change that's happening, this flowering. But what does it mean on a human level? And I think that's one of the things that we also hold dear. We have some aesthetics and some geography that we like to cover in terms of subject matter, but we're also here as a 21st century museum that wants to be a part of the change and wants to be a community-centered part of the conversation. So what have I seen in 4 years? I've seen a ton of change and a lot of growth, and there's going to be much more to come. I've been watching for the last 2.5 years, I believe it is, the Zaha Hadid building slowly building up and almost about to be done. Another huge addition to the skyline. So those kind of things are happening, and we're all trying to move with it. And I think that's an honest assessment from this point of view. And we got a lot of work to do.